Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, I'm in a little bathroom and the ventilation is done by an HRV. I'm going to flip this around and I'm going to do a little vent up on the ceiling here. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty filthy. Instead of trying to clean it up in place, you can reach up here and you can just unscrew this. Just like this. Needs a little bit of patience. You want to do this maybe a couple of times a year. And look how dirty that is. Even in there, oh, look at that. So this will provide us easy access to clean this. And all we have to do is put a little bit of warm sudsy water on that. So if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. This is a check in the win column.